In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate personalized answers on Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set yourself up and ask targeted questions that return clear, useful, and tailored results for your needs. First, make sure you have a Perplexity account. Signing in isn't just a formality, it helps the system remember your activity so you can revisit past answers, keep your research organized, and get a more consistent experience over time. If you're new, create an account in a minute or two, and once you're in, you're ready to start asking for personalized answers. Next, type your specific question, keeping it tightly aligned to your goals, preferences, or studies. The more context you give, the more relevant the answer becomes. Think about the details that matter: your skill level, your field of study, your region, the time frame you care about, and the format you want the answer in. If you're a student, mention your course, the concepts you're struggling with, and how deep you want the explanation to go. If you're working on a project, add your constraints, like a deadline or a budget. You can even ask for a particular style, such as a short summary, a step-by-step walkthrough, or a set of key takeaways. To see this in action, let's use a popular example: asking about current opportunities on social platforms. Instead of a vague prompt, frame it with context. For instance, you might type, "What are the in-demand niches in social media right now, with a focus on short-form video and beginner-friendly content strategies?" If you have a target audience, add it: "For young professionals interested in personal branding." If you care about a region or language, include that as well. You can also specify what you need from the answer. Give me a concise overview, examples of creators in each niche, and why these niches are trending. This helps Perplexity tailor the response to exactly what you'll use. When the answer appears, you'll notice that it cites sources and organizes key insights. That's your cue to scan for relevance, note any linked references, and focus on points that match your goals. If something feels too broad, tighten your next query by adding another layer of context, such as a platform, a time frame, or an outcome you want. That's all there is to it. Sign in, ask a precise question with meaningful context, and let Perplexity return answers shaped to your needs. Try it now with your own study topic or a niche you're exploring, and watch how much more actionable your results become.